Hi, in this particular video, we'll cover the formula if error. Now, as I've mentioned over here, sometimes when we use formula in cells, we might get an error because of the cell value. What if error does is it allows us to remove such errors with the values we want. So I've got an example over here. Let's see how it works. So I've got values in column A. I've got values in column B. Now, without using if error, if I'm dividing column A by column B, it's 1 divided by 2, so I get 0.5 over here. But 1 divided by 0 gives me an error. Now, in case I want to remove or highlight that there's a potential error, what I can do is I can use the if error function. So what I need to do is I write is equal to if error. In the brackets, I've got the computation which I want to do over here, which is basically column A divided by column B, comma, I'm giving a default value 999. So what is going to happen is if there is no error, then I'll just get the value of column A divided by column B. But in case there is an error, then I will get a 999 over here. So let's see, I've got an exercise over here and what we need to do in this exercise is we need to find the monthly salary of each employee. Now we've got the annual salary over here. So basically monthly salary is just dividing it by 12. Let's see when we divide this by 12. So for this is fine, this is fine, this is going to give us an error, and so is this is fine. But what if I use if error for this particular observation over here? My apologies, we need to use inverted commas. So this tells me that there is an error over here. And suppose this is just 4 data rows. What if you've got 100,000? So it becomes very easy then to just filter out all the errors and see what the actual issue is. Now, to get access to more videos which show practical application of Excel, I would suggest that you head over to our website, which is www.a-leap.com, Analytics Leap. And we've got a lot of courses over here for anyone who's interested in starting a career in analytics or anyone who wants to know more about Excel or statistics. We've got some free blogs as well, which describe how different domains or different organizations use analytics. So it's quite a good read. There's a very good ebook on beginners in analytics. So all you need to do is just subscribe over here and you'll get access to that particular ebook. And if you go to the vlog section, we've got a lot of free videos, free content over here, not just restricted to Excel, but we've got videos on other subjects as well.